What did you buy Wednesday? Shout outs to my homie Big Sky Model Workshop. Just got this package in today. Some goodies right here. We're gonna break them out and take a look at what we got in. Super excited about this stuff. Lots of vintage stuff, some hard to find stuff as well. And here we are. Let's start with this first one here. Check this out. This is the Auto World miniature license plates. Here's a whole layout right there. Here's a close up. These are from 1961. And right here, I can't tell if both are there or it's just one. But besides that, the rest looks pretty complete. So yeah, these were available back then. I always wanted to get one of these sets, you know, ever since I got the catalog. And now it's here. Another thing we got in is a set of grills and bumpers right here. I wonder if there's two of them because just the way it's packaged in here. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Let's open it up. Let's bust it out. Why not? Oh, it's a little tight. Yeah, we'll do it later then. It's super tight in there. Here, let's set this aside. Let's break out this item right here in a Ziploc. All right, let's see. Looks like we got some material for interior. Some chrome foil. Oh, look at this leather texture material. Little wooden stick. Clear tubing. Another piece of foil. And some more leather pieces right here. This is more like a felt material, but this one here. And then we have the packaging here for Originals by Monty Custom Upholstery Kit. 79 cents. Let's see. We got some of the instructions right there. Oh man, look at this. This is awesome. Look at that car. And this was based out of Artesia, California. All right, so let's set this here. Some of this stuff. And then this next one, we have some more, just a clear little strip. Another piece of vintage packaging. Custom upholstery kit. Here's the back part of it. And then we also have these Auto World how-to auto tape by Schmitty. It's a full page, just folded in half. Copyright 1962, Auto World, Scranton, PA. All right, so right here, what they're talking about, the auto tape. It's right here, the auto tape. Let's break it out. You know, I had seen this in the catalogs, and I always wondered about this tape. And I was just so happy that I was able to obtain a sealed copy of the green tape by Auto World. It's all right here in green. I have seen this in some of the models, how they use it as a pinstripe on there. Really cool idea that they offered back in the day. So let's set that right over here on this side. And then on this bag, it looks like we have some more upholstery kits. This one is still sealed in black with the white and corduroy. This is the Ulrich. Set that down there. Ooh, wow. We have some felt. We could clean this up. Get a little brush, clean that up right there. It's a little dusty. It's okay. Then we have just other types of materials. Really interesting. Definitely going to be using this. I know it's like a small amount, but you could still use this for a lot of things. And then just other colors right here of leather. Feels like some more like felt like material. And then I believe this is from one of the model kits. There you go. This is one of the cutouts. I just don't know which kit, but I have seen this before on some of the kits. Oh, here's another one. Package tray in a gray. And then here we have another one. Oh, look, right here it says 50 Ford. Awesome. Some more material right there. And then the last piece of leather. Hey, this looks nice. It's more like a pearl shimmer. Can't really see it too well on the camera, but in person, this part here just glows right there. Very cool stuff. And last piece is another piece of material right there for like the seats as well. That's neat. Let's see. Let's get to the final bag. Oh wait, a couple more, but we're getting there. This is Ravel custom parts, and then we also have one with waterside decals. So this is the custom parts right here. It's accessory display items. It's a bit loose, you know, most of them are pretty off. The tree right there. There you have it. Hydraulic jack, an engine stand. And then we have, let's see here, some NHRA decals, speed decals. So it looks like there's 2 sheets in here. Let's see, let's break this one out. Yeah, this one we can pull out. So they're all pre-cut. Obviously there's that part that's missing. It's okay. But we got a lot more here. And then this one here, we got a lot more here as well. Waterside decals. And then this is the, let's see, we're getting down to the last bits. Okay, so we're not going to open this one. We're just going to leave it in the bag since it's transparent. It's just a pack, what looks like flock that's in here. And I wonder if this came with a model kit, because I have purchased a vintage kit and it did have a bag very similar to this, just in a different color. So if you guys know about this, let me know in the comments regarding that. If you know, originally comes with a kit. The one I bought was a silhouette and it was in there. I don't know if perhaps maybe the customer purchased it back then and they just tossed that in there. And then we have a couple more of those funny fur flocks right here. Yeah, I had done a video on these a month ago or 2. Here we are. It's a better look. Really cool stuff right here. From back in the day. I just think it's awesome. You can still find this stuff, you know, as long as you keep searching for it and be patient, little by little, you'll start to come across these things. But man, this one here, this one seems kind of a tough one right here. Okay, let's try the other side. I think we're going to be good from this side. Let me see. It just seems really, really tough. Let's see. We're going to give it one more try. If we can't do it, then it's all right. Oh yeah, it's really tight in there. But it looks like they put it in backwards. It's all good. We'll figure it out later. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was my What Did You Buy Wednesday. Lots of vintage detail parts right here. Very happy with everything that came in. Definitely, man, this piece right here would look really good on an interior, on a dash, package tray, you name it. Even on the seats. Maybe scratch build some seats with styrene and wrap that up right there. So super cool stuff. And then just all this original packaging. Definitely happy that I have these 2. These are new. I already have the Old Rich one, but having this is awesome. And then the Auto World license plates. So stay tuned for future videos. Thank you for watching and take care.